Okay, all you young carpenters, our next project, we're going to be building this stool. This project comes from the International Brotherhood of Carpenters Union, their Career Connection program, which we run here at Quincy High School. So from the book, we're going to look up the stool project. We're going to start with the drawing, material list, stock list, cut list, all that good stuff. So today we're going to use the combination square to develop a quick drawing. This will help you develop some muscle memory using this. Put that paper on your board, get a clamp it to your bench. So let's give ourselves a baseline off the bottom, 1 inch. Set your square to 1 inch. Lock it onto your board here and give yourself a baseline. Now, don't go all the way off the end here, flip it over, come back the other way. Now let's find center of the paper and take our measurement of the paper. Our measurement is 17, so we're going to measure 8.5. A nice accurate way when you're using a ruler, doing a layout like this, sometimes you don't want to use the hook. Go to 10, make 0 your mark, and go to 18.5 instead of 8.5. Adjust your combination square. Give yourself a center line. Very light because you're going to erase it. There we go. Now, our stool height is 5.5. So from that 1 inch baseline, we're going to go up 5.5. That's going to mean we're going up 6.5 if we're using the material. So set the square to 6.5 and draw that line. Again, work from each side. Come in on one side, flip the tool over, come back to the other side. Try practicing switching your hands with the pencil. There's that. Now our top is 3/4, so let's add 3/4 to that. I went from 6.5, now I'm going to go to 7.25. Set the square, draw that line. Flip it over. Switch hands with the pencil for practice. Our build is 1 foot, a half inch. So that's 12.5 inches. So we're going to go 6.25 each side of the center line. And again, you could use that 10, 0 as a starting point and go to 16.25. Set your square, draw that line. Now remember, we're going only up to the top now. We're going from the baseline to the underside of our top. On our top, let's bring that into the play. I'm going to just keep this in my hand. I'm going to measure 3/4 off the end of each side. I'm going to project that line out. There's a cutout here with a radius, so let's lay that out. 1 3/4. So we're going to come back 1 3/4 from the outside edge of each side. And we're going to go up 3/4. So our base is 1. We're going to set this to 1 3/4. We're going to draw that line. Now we have a 3/4 inch radius here. We'll set our compass to 3/4. Do an arc scribe in the corner here. All right, so to do that, set this to 3/4. From the outside, come in that 1 3/4. Set your point. Swing an arc. Reposition the compass and draw those radius. Okay, we have a cutout at the top here. 4.5. We're going to find center. And we're going 2.25 each side of center. Set our square. Side profile drawing. We can't see that, but we want to know it's there with our dotted line. Same as this, our side pieces. We can't see them here, but on our drawing, we want a dotted line to let the builder know that the piece is behind there. Our material thickness is 3/4 of an inch. We're going to put those hidden lines back 3/4 from the end. Now earlier in the video I said dotted lines. It's a line, it's dashes. You'll see in the drawing. Okay, my drawing is done. We're going to go over with the tools, retrace the lines that we have here to darken everything up to solidify our drawing. Here we go. Our muscle memory, we're working out here now, people. Here we go. I'm drawing the top. Set it to the top. 7.5. Take off 3/4. That's 6 3/4. Draw the top of our box. Draw the sides. Again, try to practice switching hands with your pencil. Baseline, 1 inch up, plus our 3/4 cut. So I'm gonna set this to 1 3/4. Baseline, 1 inch. Our scribe. Let's put some details on there. The top, 12.5 plus 3/4 on each side. Gives us 14. Our height, 5.5. Oh, there we go. Now we'll get our material, we'll make our cuts, and we'll do the same layout.